dutangiye episode ya gatatu ya Freakish
on Freakish.
incamake kuri Freakish. Bibyoza nibyo twabonye muri episode ya kabiri ni ya mbere.
Coach, it's not a drill. The chemical plant's on fire.
Umva chemical plant yafashwe n'umuriro.
Because what happened out there?
Ati papa akunda gutega ibisasu biri chemicale. Nibyo twabonye. Boss. Bapfuye.
Tape off all the windows and doors to limit.
Tweza tukumema indani tufunga amadirisha n'imiryango.
There could be more of them out there.
Ati hano hanze harimo haraza ibindi. Koji twabonye ariwe. Adi. Aruma gashya mugenzi.
You okay?
Meze neza.
Personally.
Cyane meze neza. Kagakobwa ka Mary kariwe. Gashya ka Groove. Karaje mugenzi. Kaje hakuno. Mary musaza wakavayo.
You okay? Natalie's looking for you.
Umva umeze neza. Natalie arimo aragushaka.
You worry too much.
Na urahangayika cyane.
It's kind of what a big brother does.
Ariko ngamusaza nibyo ngomba gukora.
Yeah, well, it's so freaking annoying. It's like
Rero nje binera umujinya ukomeza kumbaza umeze neza buri kanya.
you have some sixth sense that I'm not okay with.
Mbanza sizi musaza nitameze neza kubera uri muri ambangamira buri kanya mwambaza umeze neza.
I so clearly am.
Umeze neza na kibazo ariko baravuga mugizi gafite makanu. Arahumekera hejuru. Ntashaka kubabaza musaza we cyangwa kumuhangayikisha. Yicara iruhande.
I know what you're going through.
Ati biri muraca mu ndabizi.
Somehow I don't think that you do.
Ndacekana na kimuzi.
I was down there too, you know.
Erega nanjye ari hasi nari mpari. Sasa umusarazi yuko ibyo kabonye byagateye ubwoba.
We saw horrible things in that shelter.
Twabonye ibintu biteye ubwoba muri kira cyumba bakoci bari barimo. Hagaramenya ko mushiki we yariwe. Grover.
I got bit.
Narumwe. Tamwereka kuguru kwa cyane cyamuteye amenyo.
Daddy.
Ati adi yandumye. Saza we yikangamo. Yo. Yikangamo. Buricyavuga.
Anything's gonna happen to me.
Ese bro, racheka rikiri bumbeho.
Nothing.
Ntacha kuba.
It's gonna happen to you. We just need to stay calm.
Well, you don't see me.
Ntacha kuba ikigomba korana no gutuza.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Naye nagumeze neza ameze neza nta kibazo ngiye.
Just give me a second.
Amakanya nitekerezo. Sibyo?
It really hurts.
Birababaza ariko.
I don't know if I'm gonna get sick.
Sinzi nanye niba nande nongeye kurwara.
Do you think she gave this to
Mary,
me?
it's just a bite.
Warumwe ntabirenze.
You didn't go outside.
Ntago wagiye uza hanze, ntago ugeze usohoka.
Right?
Uranyumva? Umura ko utagiye hanze nicyo gisubizo. Ariko ibagiye hanze nawe wakabaye wanduye.
You're fine.
Bivuze ngo umeze neza aramukomeza nkamushiki we.
As far as we know.
Sahubwo tubizi babiri ntacyo. Mary.
Nothing is gonna happen to you.
Humura ntakiri bukubeho.
I won't let it.
Kana nungo natumare kikubaho.
Okay.
Sibyo? Utuze.
I'm gonna go get you some bandages.
Deka nyene saki za bandage cyangwa ibipfuko ndagaruka kandi wicara gumaho. Sasa babiri mo bazibanga ryabo Mary na musaza wende Grover Jones. Yakira sasa.
Mary, we need to do inventory while they barricade the doors.
Yewe sa Mary tugomba kugira barricades ku miryango ifunze. Je muri cafeteria tureko twapakira ibyo kurya. Dore hanze. Kirere cyozo cyangiritse. Uyu kukuza hakuno nawe. Aza muri ka pharmacy k'ikigo, muri ka clinic. Pakira imiti za bande. Pakira ibyibanze. Urukoro ibiki n'ibiki. Hano nugufata ibinini byose. Yewe urakora icyo.
Hey.
Yewe.
Found it.
Ajara shana ndayibonye.
Not feeling very good.
Man, numva nameze neza.
Should we be worried?
Ase duhangayike natwe se.
It's just a small fever, that's all.
Numva akantu k'umuriro nameze neza afite magasereri.
Just sleep it off.
Ariko ni njyama birashira.
Since when does a fever need hydrogen peroxide?
Mana se kuba ufite umuriro nibyo bituma ufata hydrogen peroxide.
When do you care?
Ase bira kureba wowe kumbaza byinshi. Umuntu utwara imiti y'igike. Bano na muri kantini. Pakira ibyo kurya.
Those go in this row. See?
Yewe twerekeza hakuno hino.
So that's 53 cans for
Hano tumaze gushira amacupa 53.
No, your count is off.
Man kubara nabe ni 51.
Pounds.
Katangiye gucanganyikirwa.
But that should still last us until we get rescued.
Bino biratumaza amasaha n'amasegonda biradusunika.
Depending on who finds us first.
Mbere yuko bitubona se.
Are you okay?
Ase kuvuga ukuntu umeze neza.
I'm just hungry.
Ndashonje gusa.
Do you have any more soup?
Hano se waba ufite indi sosi?
Yeah, like the kind you had earlier, the chicken and rice.
Dabiryo ariye kare. Isupu y'inkoko n'umuceri.
Right.
Umuceri?
But that was over 5 hours ago.
Ibyo biryo uri kumbwana biriya amasaha 5 yashize.
Did you know?
Wamenya gute?
I smelled it on your breath.
Imihumekere yawe nabihumuriwe.
Is that like some party trick you do, or
Hasi ibyo bintu murakora cyangwa se
part bloodhound?
waba ufite mu rubaraga rudasanzwe se? Sasa umukobwa senses z'umubiri we atangiye guhumurirwa ibiryo mugenzi we yariye kare ngo arimo arabihumeka byumva. Bivuze ngo amazuru yatangiye kuba active arimo ararehareha.
I don't know.
Sinzi uko bigenze gusa. Ntacyo.
Situation of our lives.
Tuanze tugeze ku buzima bwacu bwa none aha.
Clearly.
Ariko byo kuba amazuru yari sensitive cyane akurura cyane nabyo ni byiza. Niba bitindaho umwana atangiye guhinduka yiswe Freakish turi kuri episode ya 3 nakubwira aracyari Sankara na Premier wumva.
You working on the radio?
Uracyakora kuri radio se?
Nice work. Any progress?
Abana ni byiza kabisa akazi ni keza ariko hari icyo kimaze kugeraho se.
We have a signal.
Hano dufite sinyare.
Need to get someone to hear us.
Ahubwo tugerageze turebe ko hari umuntu watwumva aho ari. Arangije. Hari ibyo yakuyeyo.
Our medical inventory.
Ibyo ne bijyanye n'imiti.
And that is all the shit Grover took.
Ati ni imiti mugenzi wacu yatwaye sinzayijyanye. Wa wundi Groove.
He doesn't strike me as much of a doctor.
None se ibintu bivuga ko ntabizi.
Give a reason?
Hari impamvu subimaye.
Well, he said he had a fever.
Ambwiye ko afite umuriro afite akantu k'akamararia.
Or he wanted to be with you.
Cyangwa ashaka kuba ari kumwe nawe.
He seemed off his game though.
Bisa nkaho yatariwe imikino arimo.
You seem fairly on your game.
Bisa nkaho nawe utitwara neza muri uwo mukino w'urukundo hagati yawe na Groove.
I mean,
for a detention train wreck?
Ushaka kuvuga byari byatumye aza mu bihano se?
Your words?
Ayo nta magambo yasige bivuze.
Mine? So you were in for vandalism?
Ase waba bagiye muri vandalism cyangwa? Oya.
Contraband.
Icyatumye so ugumara yari cyari iki?
Murder.
Ubwicanyi.
See, I kill computer nerds.
Nica abantu babaswe nkamwe mukunda kwiga cyane computer.
Interesting. More than one.
Wishurenze umwe se?
Just the curious one.
Abanyamatsiko nkaye nibo bavuga ubusani bamitana. Bazabara abarasana. Aguma ku cyombo.
This is Kent High School.
Yewe ni Kent High School.
9 survivors.
Hari abantu 9 basigaye.
Repeat. Mayday.
Sasa urebe abanyeshuri uyu nguyu byizwe ngo arimo arahamagara hanze arebe ko bakominikana nawe nta nubwo mikoro icometse. Bisa nka arimo arafenta bagenzi be.
Hi Mary, I got the stuff.
Mary nabonye imiti. Kumbe kugeraho Mary yarara aho bacurangira. Yagiye kare. Aya ya mwanda. Avaye n'imiti ifite mu gakapu. Kumba banabo bibaba yabo.
Okay, now it's not really the time.
Mbashe ndetse cyatari cyo gihe.
That's not it. There's a problem.
Cyo nagari cyo kibazo.
100 problems.
Mba dufite ibibazo birenze ijana.
Not like this.
Ushaka kwitera ikindi gishingiye cy'urumogi.
Okay, how much more do you have?
None ufite ibimogi bingana iki?
Less than a day.
Ibyo mfite ntabwo byandengereza umunsi. Sasa hakuno. Wa mukobwa Mary. Imara biri byo bitunguranye. Arimo araswetinga buri kanya. Za hakuno. Bagenzi be. Agarimo arahuza nabo akomeza hakuno. Nudo.
Hey Mary.
Bite Mary.
So you have a companion?
Abantu sanga ufite muri kumwe.
From Mrs. Shear's room?
Wakwe mu cyumba cyashiri cyane.
Yes, he is.
Arashonje kano kantu kanye nifiti hano.
Still on the night watch?
Yeah.
Murari joro muri kumwe cyane. Hanze aracyari icyitwa igihu ntabwo agaragara.
You look dazed.
Hasi ko munsa n'umuntu urushye.
Did you get in my locker?
Ese ugeze muri locker yanjye?
No, I
have
a headache.
Mfite umutwe ariko ntabwo meze neza. Nkeneye kuruhuka.
Alright.
Sawa?
Say goodnight, Mr. Oink.
Nsa onkira musezere.
Night, Mr. Oink.
Onkira uramuki. Kobwa afite akantu k'umunaniro buri wese kumaza aramureba akabimenya. Aza hakuno. Hani imiryango yose barayifunze bakubise iki? Ibibaho kureba hanze. Si umeze neza biraho. Gize gutyo. Arayicana abantu bayintu za zombi hanze. Aga maina we hera tave. Kobwa ndagikanga Kobwa afite mikibaraga. Giye cyegera inyuma. yewe
What are you doing?
nakora iki hano musaza we
Mary, what happened?
ibyo byageze biti kobwa ntacyo
Let's get you bandaged up.
ngaho tugere mushyiriho za bande ndanagupfuke sasa ntibwatinze zaku namushyiraho karukoro hanagura aho yakomeretse ese ngiye gupfa ntabwo uri bupfe humura
All we know is you've got a bite.
icyo tuzi cyo nuko wari umwe
It's a small but gnarly bite.
ni akantu gatoya wari umwe ntabirenze nta kantu wakwandura
What are you gonna do if I change?
none se nimpinduka bro urakora iki
You can't think like that.
ntabyo ntabwo ari byo ugomba gutekereza
I can already feel it happening.
kandi natangiye kubyiyumvamo ko birimo biraba ndimo ndahinduka indani kubyiyumvamo
Natalie had soup this morning and somehow I knew.
natari ibintu yariye mu gitondo namwegeye numva muri we arimo arabihumeka byamwinjije mu maraso
Let me guess, you smelt it on her breath?
yewe wumvishe natari bimuhumuraho amazuru yanjye atangiye gukora ibintu umuntu yariye mu gitondo ndimo namwumva bihumeka indani muri we sister
You're still warm.
numva ugishyushye
Go get you some water.
kajyane ngushakira amazi sibyo aracyane ukeneye
Cake.
nyine test cake
Right. I'll see if there's one left.
ndaza kureba niba hari indi isigaye wowe tuzugumaho sibyo ndakuzanira sasa hakuno mu kigo ntiyabura binjiza utuyoga utuntu nk'utwo uyakiraho iyi acaho bya biryo byo mu bikombe ahantu ari ni muri za loka abanyeshuri babika ibintu byabo maniga afite umunyururu wazi icyamutera cyose bagigira yitonze kumbera nyamunini kiri kinyururu hasi rikanga
Hungry?
ashonje ra
I realize it's not a free-for-all, but this is not what you think.
ati rwose nabizi ko ibiryo bitemerewe kuba byabikwa na buri umwe ariko ntabwo ari byo utekereza sanga maniga arimo ari ibi biryo umukobwa wabipakiye
Think.
wowe se watekereza niba utekereza iki
I think you've been stealing food.
ndakeka uri muri ibi byo kurya
It's not that much.
ntabwo ari byinshi nibyo ariko
Look at all.
mbabarira ntubijyane abikuramo
Seriously? What is this, like 10 cans?
uducupa icumi twose ujyanye
Explain.
nagusobanurira
Doctor prescribed.
muganga arabinegetse
Yeah, because there's 2 of you to feed.
yagutegetse kurya amwitegereje
How far along are you?
ifite amezi angahe kumbe umukobwa mugenzi aratwite muganga yamutegetse ibiporezo bihagije
8 months.
ndifite amezi 8
You can't tell anyone.
ariko ndakunyuza nugira umuntu ubwira ko ntwite ni ukuri
You can't do this on your own.
ibi ntabwo wabyicoboza na situation turimo indasi ikintu cyo guhisha
Look around you.
manzu ureba bituzengurutse
No one is gonna help. No.
nta muntu uri bumfashe ntabwo ari nonaha
All they're gonna see is a big mistake.
icyo bari bubone ni uko nakoze amakosa
It's
ahambaye
not a mistake.
wa mukobwa uri umuswe gutwita nta kosa ririmo
Trust me.
nyizera
This.
ibi byari
I even
iki
told my own parents about it.
n'ababyeyi banjye ubwabo sindababwira ko ntwite maniga aramubwira ati inda mu bibazo turimo ntabwo ari ikintu cyo guhisha maniga arangije mugenzi nk'umuntu
We all have secrets.
azi twese muri isi tugira amabanga yacu umura ntabwo nakuvamo n'ibiryo ntiyabijyana disi ahitamo kumuhishira sasuye nawe arimo ararwana no gufasha mushiki we
Sure know how to treat a girl.
ariko umusore mbanza uzi gufata neza abakobwa
Are you following me?
hasi urimo urankurikirana
Well, twin.
rwose ni nk'andi manga yawe ariko mbi
Me.
ushaka kuvuga iki
I mean, you're usually not a dick.
ndakeka utari umusore w'umuswa cyangwa umusore mubi
This may come as a shock to you, but my
hasi
world
biragutumwe kuba arimo anafasha umuntu
does not revolve around you.
ntabwo abantu bose isura ntabwo izenguruka kuri wowe gusa abantu winesha umutwe
Mayday. Do you read?
mayday do you read
Mayday.
mayday
Damn it.
sasa uyibuke arimo arigira nk'umuntu uri guhamagara ubundi bufasha kandi mikoro iracomoye
All right, it's done.
nta byose byaciyemo
Boys in.
nta muntu uravugana se
Look.
nta mahirwe nta muntu uyitaba
We still here, ain't we?
ewe nta muntu turumva nawe kabisa
You mean despite all your technical wizardry?
If the freaks get in, I can still outrun you.
mwana ngeriga nawe ubona ko nta kimwe uramushyiramo
Don't forget that.
ibyo ntubyibagirwe
Here's our tally of food. We
dore
have
ibiryo twaba dufite ngibi ngibi
enough to last for a while.
dore urebe igihe biri bumare
Quantify a while.
nta biratumaze akanya da
With careful rationing, just under 2 weeks.
icyo nabaza cyo nuko twabigabana hagati yacu ibyumweru bibiri.
It won't last that long.
Ntago byamara ibyumweru bibiri. Ati ntago turumara ibyumweru bibiri tukibazimo.
They know we're in here.
Birabizwe sasa umukobwa Mary atanya bwati ibiri hanze za zombie zirabizwe turimo indani.
They know we're in here.
They know we're in here. Ati zombies zirabizwe turimo indani.
The freaks?
The freaks ziranze?
Yeah, I didn't notice any.
Ntacyo nigeze menya njyewe.
You have to know where to look.
Ncerekane butanareba.
They hide in the haze.
Birimo birisha muri kiriya gihu.
But they're coming.
Usibye ko birimo biraza.
They're trying to get in.
Birimo baragerageza kwinjira. Kobwa se nkari marababwira ibintu biri bube ariko abantu nagasobanukirwa.
Let them try.
Reka bagerageze kwinjira maninga bahaza urumogi afite bati mu ntoki.
Your strength won't be enough.
Imbaraga zawe ntago zagije musore.
They know where you're hiding.
Bimenya aho wihishe kubera impumeko yawe.
They can sense things that we don't.
Byabishaka kuba byakumva natwe ibintu tutabasha kumva.
Okay, this freshman chick's really
Kobwa arimo aradukanga bana cyangwa.
Yeah, I'm not worried.
Bako nta butaka nta wakwanga nibyo.
They can't even get through the shelter doors.
Nta nubwo byarenga ku miryango urya ifunze.
Not yet.
Ntago igihe cyagera pe.
I don't scare that easily.
Ntago njye nta kintu gipfa kunkanga gutyo gusa peti. Nta kintu gipfa kunkanga nkuko bitekereza.
Yes, you do.
Ahubwo ugira ubwoba bw'ikirenga.
You're a pretender.
Usibye ko uri umuntu uzi kurenzaho pretender. Wigira nkaho nta bwoba ufite kandi niwe bwa mbere uri nyabwoba.
Did I pretend to build a radio?
No, ni radio narigize nkaho ndimo ndayubaka se.
They can smell your fear.
Biriya bintu bishaka guhumurirwa n'ubwoba bwawe.
What about you?
Naho wowe.
How long do you think you'll last?
Wewe uracyari kuri umara igihe kingana iki? Sangusekamo fa kuba nkubwiye.
I'm gonna say it now.
Mwana njye kubivuga none aha.
That girl is high as...
Kobwa niba tasinze.
Funny.
Ahubwo arasekeje.
Thinking the same thing.
Nani byo gutekereza.
Better keep an eye on Mary.
Bibaye byiza umukobwa umuntu yamuhozaho ijisho. Sasa bikangamo. Uyu mukobwa umuntu amuhozaho ijisho. Mary kubera kwiheba. Ari kumva muri atangiye guhinduka. Azakuno gucuranga. Mu kigo Mary nta kandi kazi mugenzi. Pacuranga uruhu rwatangiye korohera. Imirya y'intango y'ibwa ikamukata. Mugenzi uruhu rwe rwatangiye guhinduka bushikarete. Kaga kopko kari hakuno. Kamwe Grover atereta mu kigo avayo.
Why are you looking at me like that?
Ase kundeba nabi ari cyo ufite nawe.
Are you okay?
Meze neza mata?
I don't like you.
Nago nkunda mukobwa we.
So get in line.
Ngaho rero jya mu murongo.
Use boys.
Kunda gukoresha abasore.
And who are you to judge?
None uri nuncira urubanza.
You don't know me.
Nago nzi.
Brother's one of a kind.
Musaza wanjye nagagomba kumera nkabo.
Do you understand me?
Uranyumva?
He is not a toy.
Musaza wanjye nagari ikinisho cyawe.
He's gentle.
No umusore mwiza muto kandi witonda.
Treat him that way.
Nagari kugomba kumufata.
Not even with your brother.
Umva nangwe nkundana musaza wawe.
Look after him.
Bibaye byiza wamwitondera mwifataho neza.
You take care of him.
Ugenda
Or I
umwitaho
will hunt you down.
cyangwa nzaguhiga.
Do you understand?
Uranyumva?
I don't know what your damage is,
Mwana sinzi ikibazo ufite cyo mu mutwe.
but we're all doing our best here.
Gusa hano buri umwe aragiza gukora ibyo ashoboye. Sazo wakabwana afite mu mutwe yabaniye. Kumbe ka Mary katangiye guhinduka. Gasura katangiye guhinduka umweru. Karangeje. Maraso ari mu rwunyunyu. Sasa uyu nawe agira gutya abandi bose bahavuye. Hana afite kapini acomekamo hano. Yarangiza yambara bya headphones comeka mikoro.
Keyword.
Jambo ry'ibanga
Flashpoint Zulu.
Flashpoint Zulu. Sasa bisa nkaho radio irimo irakorana n'abantu waza ariko maniga yabayishe.
Welcome back, Zulu.
Urakaza neza Zulu. Niyo code hano bakoreshwa bamenye ko ari we. Arimo aravugana n'abanza abandi batabizi. Yabwatinze. Hano harabari gusonga. Bari muri ibi miti sha.
Is that true?
Byaba ari ukuri. Bakiriye amakuru.
Violent. Yeah, she was
violent.
So
ya mukobwa yari ahangayitse Violet.
we.
Natwe ahangayitse.
I wasn't stashing anything.
Nta kintu ndimo ndiba mwana.
I went to the medic's office because I
Nagiye muri biro yo babika imiti.
was feeling sick.
You don't look
Numvaga ndwaye.
sick.
Umwana nagusa nk'umuntu urwaye.
Your sister was worried too.
Na mushyo yari ahangayitse.
She just went off the deep end on all of us.
Yagiye natwe tubikamo ikintu cy'ubwoba.
Said we was gonna die.
Bisa nkaho yaragiye gupfa.
She did?
Atubwiye ngo natwe tugiye gupfa.
Yeah, she
Yabivuze.
did.
Yabivuze mwana.
What aren't you telling us?
Hase icyo turimo dusha bro. Nicyo uri guhisha papa.
There's nothing. We're all good here.
Mwana ntacyo ndimo ndahisha twese tumeze neza.
Oh shit, what are you hiding?
Mwana tubwire urimo ndahisha iki.
We'll get your meds back.
Muhumure imiti ndayisubizayo.
But you need to get out of my way right
Cyucyene mukeneye mumve mu nzira ntambuke. Batangira guserera.
Counselor said I don't respond well to threats.
Umva mwana ntago dushaka ibintu byo kutubeshya kuri tubika mu bwoba butari ngombwa.
point.
Bafite ingingo.
Easy.
Byoroshye mwana.
Come on, man. Let him go.
Mureke agende bro, mureke. Bro vari komereza. Kugera hano anga mushikiwe.
Mary?
Amanota yayataye.
Oh my God.
Bana nyagasa.
What happened?
Ntabwo si byabaye.
You'll let me know before.
Aya manota nacuranga nari nyazi kuva na mbere. Kombe darema aracuranga n'imirya yacitse kare.
What's happening?
Bro nibyo kumbaho. Sister humura. Kozi watangiye guhinda umuriro.
You can't tell them about this.
Utagira icyo babwira sibyo?
They're
Babarira.
gonna want to lock me up.
Ndabizi barahita bashyira mu gato muri karantini baramfungirana.
I'm not going to tell any of the others, but Mary, they're starting to ask questions.
Umva ndabizi nta muntu ubwaye ko Mary batangiye kumbaza ibibazo byinshi.
And I can't do
Well, then
anything
stop.
about it.
Ntacyo nabikora
You have to
mwaceceka basi.
Tell them that I'm resting.
Ngagenda babwire ko nduhutse basi umfungirane nyenyine.
Buy us time, please.
Basi migiye ndi kumwe bro. Ndakwinginze. Babe mfungira nawe weje ko nduhutse. Tibatangiye kubaza byinshi ntabwo naguhishira.
But don't move.
Are kutavano sibyo? Ugumemo hano paka. Gakobwa mugenzi katangiye guhinduka.
I don't know.
Simbizi.
Set. I'm telling you, the codes were set.
Sasa umukobwa barako amatwi ye bakurura cyane.
I don't know what to do.
Arimo arumva abantu bose bari kuvuga. Ijambo ry'ibanga hari ibyo mbere. Ari muri sare bwa hagati arimo arumva amajwi hakurya hakuno. Ko abantu baganira. Tayari.
Somehow they knew.
Hari ukuntu babimenye.
Valhalla knew, and they're still
Arabizi.
operational.
Ariko aracyari ari operation zijya mbere. Sinzi arimo aravugana n'abandi. Agize gutya abona hari uri kumwumva. Buretse.
Wait.
Wibuka yari arabice yuko ari abo hanze bavugana. Yewe umva. Arakome. Mary.
I can explain.
Nagusobanurira umva ariko ubuza kwamvugana n'abantu bo hanze mva mubwire. Abandi abayisha gafite abandi akominikana nabo. Hari umuvumbuye Mary. Aramukurikira. Jamindani. Sasa Kananga.
Where are you?
Ye uri. Hey. Imara agenda. Patana akarukaza akafera beto. Ucana itara.
What the hell are you doing?
Urakoresha Mary rekera. Mary yahindutse. Yabaye urwirungu. Tayari. Hey.
He's been in there for like an hour.
Ati mbanza sinzi ko bari bugumane paka.
If you ask me, he shouldn't even come out.
Yewe njye mbabagira inama nuriya musore ntiyasohoka.
No one asked you.
Ariko nta n'uwabikubajije.
If she can get sick from freaks, that means we can get sick from her.
Bivuze ngo niba yanuzwe na biriya bintu byaturutse hanze dushobora kuba nawe yatwanduza.
I say we lock her up and stay the hell back.
Ati cyo nsaba ni kimwe nuko twamufunya tukaguma hano tumeze neza.
He's right. It's not safe.
Ibyo umukobwa avuga nibyo nta mutekano ari umukobwa atujemo twakwandura twese.
What, like she's some animal?
None se mushaka kumwita inyamaswa.
Still a human being.
Nawe aracyari umuntu.
Just like Addie was.
Nkuko Adi nawe yari ameze.
Like all of them were.
Nkuko bose bari ameze.
No threat to us.
Ariko nta n'ikibazo yadutwara.
Even if she turned, she
You mean when?
Kaba nubwo ahinduka ryari.
When she turns,
Nahinduka.
Mary can't leave that room.
Mary ntabwo yava muri kiriya cyumba aragumamo. Arajya mu kato.
Look, I hate to admit it, but he's right.
Mwana njye sinawe hakana ariko usibye ko ibyavuga ari ukuri. Nahinduka agume mu kato.
I mean, look at her.
Mwana murebe ukuntu ameze bro.
She's a threat to all of us.
Kuri twese wese yatubyarira ibibazo nta kindi.
Not to Grover.
Kuri musaza wese.
Grover will do anything he can to save her. That's
Grover we yakora icyo ashoboye cyose kugira ngo arebe ko yatabara mushiki we.
exactly why we can't trust him.
Ariko niyo mpamvu natwe tutamwizera.
Dude, at least he cares about her.
Which is
Yaba nawe yita kuri mushiki we.
exactly why we should trust him.
None se iyo niyo mpamvu tutatuma turi tumwizera.
Why didn't he tell us about her?
None se ubundi kuki atatubwiye ko mushiki we yarwaye kuva na kare?
Why did he hide her from us?
Kuki yabiduhishe?
Because I have a sinking feeling.
Kubera ko nyafite ukuntu ndimo nabyumva n'ibyiyumviro byanjye.
We're gonna figure that out the hard way.
Turabimenya mu buryo bukomeye. Impamvu yabiduhishe. Hambiriye mushiki we.
Mary?
Mary,
I'm here for you.
Mary ndari ku bwawe, sibyo? Gashikike.
Say something.
Mary gira icyo umbwira. Gira icyo uvuga. Mugenzi igerezaho ugutwi. Ati kill me nyica. Kugira ngo mugenzi ujye kubagora. Ujye kubatesha umutwe nahindutse. Unyicire. Banaho baza kuduporezo.
More peas?
Hari ukeneye amashazo?
Grover come down yet?
Grover nagaraza kurya.
What do you think?
Tekereza iki?
He knows we're pissed at him.
Bizi ko twamurakariye.
Please so.
Ni nako yemeze.
This isn't easy for him either.
Yewe ntago yimworoye namugapfe namwe gusa kuza mwasama.
This isn't easy for any of us.
Muri twese na numwe byoroheye.
This has been delightful. Gotta get moving.
Mwana nje kancomoke byari byiza gusangira namwe. Dance kagakobwa ka Violet. Kavayo. Neko mugenzi bajyaga bapengana mu kigo gahorana umushiha. Ati baye byiza baza ukarya.
I did everything that I could.
Nakoze ibyo nari nshoboye. Ariko nk'umuntu byanze.
There's just too many of them.
Ati byanga byakundu yabahindutse ni benshi.
This is not your fault.
Ati musore nagara amakosa yawe.
But hiding her.
Gusa kumuhisha. Ati nibyo nari nshoboye kuba nakora. Naye nakoze ibyo nshoboye nk'umuntu.
Let her sleep, Grover.
Ngamureka ryame Grover.
Come down and eat.
Ngwino hasi basu nabone icyo urya. Bari ku munsi wa kabiri nta kintu baraporeza. Danje aramworosa. Bande hasi barimo araporeza. Tayari. Hey. Ndakubwiye uruganda rwaturitse. Baheze mu kigo. Mugenzi nyamunini nawe arimo ararira. Nyiribimogi nawe yarasigaje kimwe cy'uyu munsi. Ntago narekera kumutekereza uriya mukobwa. Adi ntago narekera kumutekereza. Yewe wibyishyiramo cyane. Ati none ndacyumva amajwi ye mu matwi yanjye.
She had so much trust in me.
Ati niwe muntu wanyizeraga kurusha n'abandi.
And I let her down.
Ntago nigeze mutererana. Witekereza nabi.
So coach said.
Na coach niko yavugaga. Nimba yagiye byakire.
When you're going through hell, just keep going.
Niba uri murana no mukuzimu komeza ugende. Nta mahitamere guna afite. Ibyago byaje cyukura byakira. Gerageza urebe ko waruhuka. Kumbuye akaryamya. Wa mukobwa Mary uko ari hakuno tayari yaragize arahinduka. Ndacekira yarukigenze. Nimuti kwizikurikira ndacyari we Samaro hasta la vista. Bayitaga Freakish ndabakunda cyane cyane right.